Hello, I'm Suhail Ayub. I'm doing my BTech in Electronics and Instrumentation Engineering. I'm in the final year in BIT University. I'm placed in the company Schneider Electric in Bangalore. Campus interaction, the first time when we registered for the PAT, as in the placement and training of our college, we were informed about campus interaction. So in campus interaction, it was a very nice site. Like there were different questions based on logical reasoning or English language, and it was a very good way to improve because the written rounds in the companies which I had sat for, like this was the main thing what campus interaction was doing. They were concentrating more on the exact, as in the concept of the questions were the same as what was asked in the company. I attended the interview for just one company, that is Schneider Electric. For the interview, I had gone through the internet for a few things and all, like how should the body language be, what questions do they ask, how do you answer them, how do you face them, and a few things like that. About the company, before when the company came to our campus, we used to get emails about the company and all. So that time, I started checking about the background of the company. When did it start? What did they do? What do they do? And how are they performing in the entire industrial market right now? And apart from that, the job profile, I went through the job profile, what they need, how do I need to show my profile to them for that particular job. Most of the questions that were asked in my interview were just about me, about what I want to do in my future or what I'm interested in. There were a few technical questions based on, a little bit based on programming and a little bit based on even my core knowledge. And there were also a few management questions which were not that hard. Actually, the interviews are very easy if you are in a good position, as in not nervous and all. The toughest question, I would say, nothing was actually very tough, but what was out of the blue, it was like a puzzle that they had asked me. It was like a set of puzzles. So most of them are based on logical reasoning, as in it was something as the written round itself. One small part of the written round in the interview. Dress code was formals, a shirt and a normal pant. And body language, I showed them that I was confident about this and not backing out or kind of afraid of it. The questions that I asked them was what do they expect from me? So their answer was right now we can tell you what our expectation is during our training. Right now they just wanted to know whether we are interested in the job or not. Nervousness, to be frank, my nervousness went because I was very nervous in the starting, when I was about to go for the interview. But I had to wait a long time for my interview, nearly for more than 6 hours. So that waiting had actually reduced my nervousness. Apart from that, I had seen a few interview videos how to do that during that 6 hours. So because of that, a lot of nervousness had drained off. They should focus mainly on their body language, because when you go for placements, your pointers actually don't matter much. The company has a benchmark, they say above 8.5. So for them, above 8.5 to maybe 9.5, it's going to be the same thing for them. They don't actually depend too much on your grades. They actually see how you present yourself, how is your logical reasoning, and how can you actually manage when you're in a real business situation. So I would advise go through campus interactions or any other things where you can improve your core knowledge. Your logical and your core knowledge. and then be confident about yourself, especially for interviews. If you're nervous, they'll just get to know it in seconds. My feedback about campus interaction would be that it's actually very helpful to prepare for our written rounds and how to go on for group discussions and all. So I would do recommend the juniors or whoever is looking forward for the placements to go through campus interactions regularly, because if you don't go through it regularly, you lose a gap and it goes back to starting from all over again. VIT is a very good college actually. We have a very good placement records, and apart from that, we have a very good infrastructure. Our ranking in the top 10 universities of India is actually pretty good. So VIT is a very good college. If you come to VIT, if you have any hopes, if VIT is one of your aims, I would tell go forward for it, because the end that the base that you want to go into the either for your further studies or even for your placements, it's actually made very well in VIT.